to another video. Today we're going to play Emily Chapter 3. The people are now gone trying to play, and Maggie's not going to be included in this one, so sorry if you like it. But make sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we're going to get right in it.
Right, Snowball, this map is huge. I wonder what we should do. No. First person to find an item first wins. There's like 28 items free in this map. Bye. That was kind of weird. Okay, as I was saying, how about we stick by? Let's spin up. I literally said the opposite. Ooh, a red key. Looks very simple enough.
Actually, nothing's around.
I'll just... Huh?
That's what you get, Mary.
I'm gonna get the item in that room. So many weird things happen these days.
Right. Ooh, green key. Looks like I'm going to take that. Oh.
I found a room. But where's the room? My dear receiver. We rock for Okay, ooh. Look up there. Alright, there has to be something up there. Oh boy, back to climbing the walls.
Right, let's see. Ooh, red key goes here. Let's see what's inside. Goodbye, fellas.
I'm never going back in there ever again.
What a beautiful day. Just chilling. No hard work.
Toadie, what is it? Don't wake me up there again. You need to do your work and unlock keys. We're gonna lose.
Do that for yourself.
She's always having a nap.
Oh, finally. I finally found the blue key. Right. Let me use it. Snowball has fallen.
See him climbing the wall. You got like...
Ellie, wake up!
You're literally right on the orange key. Without waking her up, I'll just steal the orange key.
And obviously, let's go inside. Ooh, look at all these valuable memberships.
Hello everyone, this is Timmy holding the camera. I'm gonna go downstairs. Looks like someone unlocked this. Ah! Snowball's dead!
Ooh,
Look at those perfect scissors. I just gotta get them. And nice. Timmy, with the scissors. I hope I don't snip myself. I wonder where does this go? Mo, you're right, Timmy. I also found a yellow key. And I have no clue where it goes. Well, I did see a yellow safe at the spawn. Well, let's have a good. Not just a safe though. Maybe it's a door. What are we waiting for? Timmy! Right, Timmy, 2D. Maybe 2D? What's up? Oh, I see the yellow lock. Let me just... Coming to see. It was a lovely day on Wednesday. I'll just go to... No, this is... Wait! This is my house? This is my house?
Look at all these valuable things.
Hey! Who are you?
Oh, just having an announcement to you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video and hit that ding ding notifications bell to never miss out on any of our future videos. But before I do this, I just gotta bring you over. Look what I see. I get the battery. You want an item too? Oh, sure. Here's some tape. When Emily comes, throw it at her. Welcome. Oh, I better use this. See you. Emily is gone for 20 seconds. Right, Timmy. I think we should slip it at the top. There's a purple key over there. Me too. Oh, what's this? Oh, a code.
All right, bye, Timmy. Bye, Mary. Some tape? Whoa. My scissors will come handy.
Let's just missed it. Beautiful. Oh, great, it's you. You guys all right, guys. Welcome back. Did you start Ellie? Emily? Well, that's great news. I used the battery as well. I think we need a lot more. Have you seen a battery? Don't worry. Let's go. I heard that Tim and Mary are upstairs. Shall we go meet them? Whatever you say, my friend. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go tell Mary. Oh, Mary! Oh, you didn't see you there. Yes. Me and my friends over here, we try to find items. We heard that you... So where's Tim?
Oh, he went the other way to do the scissors. And I found 2 items and I don't know which one to get.
Hey, do you want to get... Hey, you want to get one? No? All right. I'll get the pen, cuzzy.
And I'll get the purple key.
Let's go.
Is that a battery I see? Well, lovely shinings. Looks like I just gotta get this. Oh, my nose. I don't know what I just hit. It's something really weird looking. Let's go use this battery.
Just relax sing. Ah! Tootie has fallen.
Okay, let's place down the battery. Looks like there's 2 batteries. Let's go back upstairs.
Hi guys, it's Eddie again. We have the pen and we can finally use the numbers. But only look, number 3. Let's see. Team City saw the number 6 right away. The Amy statue number 6. Come on, let's go downstairs. And let's put it in. Oh goodness, 3 people are dead. We better help ourselves. Here, you want to do it? Hiya, I'll give you the pen. Write it over there. First one's 3, next one's 6. First, open up the pen. Put the cap on the floor. Now write. Okay. Here, I'll help you. I'll set you down. Right over here. I'll set the camera down. You just do your work. I'll help you. What? You done? Sweet. Now put the cap back on. And come on, let's go back upstairs. There must be more survivors around here. Okay, come on, Fuentes. Oh! Someone killed Mary. Come on. Rilla, at least you unlock this room. It's really dark. Okay? I recommend you stay there. I'll go in. I'm not afraid of the dark. Goodbye, fellow friend. I'll miss you. Don't go out there. It's dangerous. I got a battery. Come on. We need to go, old fellas. White fellas. It's Ellie here. So we're just going to place this down. And, ooh, I see something up there. Here. Someone has done one more code. Come on. And they've left the pen on. Here. I'll take it. Let's go back up. That was... I think we need to go back in there. It's really dangerous. Do you want me to go in? Or do you want you to go in? You want me? Okay, I'll go in. See you later, little fellas. You just wait there. I'll be back soon. Mister, Eddie got killed. Someone's in there. Come on, I'll hold you guys down. I know the last code. Come on, guys, we can do this. It's enemies right behind us. Quick, guys, I'll hold you. Okay, you stay here. I'll write up the code. Okay, code is 4. Ding ding! Come on, fellas. Bentley's right here. Wow, fellas, you escaped. Wonderful timing. All right, guys, that's gonna be in the video. Okay. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Yeah, I'm not saying this time. I'm not saying washrooms. We should be friends and buddies. And we also should be washrooms!